Hi! In front of me is CHUWI Ubook X, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and click on System section. Now select Storage located under Battery on the left and click on Temporary Files. Now you need to wait. And last but not least, click on Remove Files over here. As you can see, after that, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!